channel. It's Baby Mira here. So today we're gonna be vlogging. So I'm going to Agodi Gardens in Ibadan. So I actually came to Ibadan 2 days ago, and I found out that this is one of the places you can actually chill out in Ibadan. So we are going there today. Let's see how that place looks like. Please click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and stay tuned. Let's go now. So you guys, we just go here, and this place is a bit crowded. By the way, this is Agodi Gardens. It's a bit crowded and there are many kids here. I think they came here to swim because there's a place where they normally swim. I'm gonna show you guys that. Before you go in here, you have to like buy or pay for a ticket, and the ticket is just 500 naira. As you can see, there are a lot of people here. The crowd isn't even much outside. Oh my god, see what's happening inside here. There are a whole lot of people in here. So I'm just gonna take you guys around. Let's see what happens here. And that's my friend. She's saying hi to you all. So yeah, I think that's a bar. I think they kick off in the evening or so, because we just came here this afternoon. It's 2 p.m. rather. So yeah, come with me guys, let's see what they've got in here. As you can see, everywhere is green. The garden looks so greeny and so fine. What's happening here, I think that there are different segments where people can throw party or something. This is where someone is celebrating something, a birthday party, just a kid, you know. And here the garden looks so fine, it looks so peaceful, it looks so amazing. Like if you're in Ibadan and you want to chill out, guys, anytime you're in Ibadan you should visit this place, you know. So yeah, I'm just walking around to check out things, you know. Just come with me guys. So different people sell things here. So yeah, you can buy stuff here. Swings. You can actually swim here. I think there is a pool here. Where children I still continue to look for it. So here they sell different stuff here. So right now I want to buy cotton candy.
Candy Crush.
Candy Crush, cotton candy, whatever this. It's not Candy Crush, it's cotton candy. So how do you sell? You say 100 naira. Okay, give me one. Okay, can I have mine? Yeah, so this is mine. Smoothie or fruit juice. Yeah, this is actually fruit juice. So yeah. No, I think so. So yeah, they sell a lot of things here, guys. I've missed cotton candy a lot, you know. Trust me, this is yummy. So I'll take you guys around so we can see what they sell here, guys. Yeah. Okay, so this is the popcorn stand. They sell popcorn here. And then I think people also come here for picnics, because as you can see, this is what's happening here. That same thing that is happening here. Same thing happening here. So people come here for picnic as well. And then a few children are riding the train. What they actually doing here. Then here are other places where people buy stuff. They sell a lot of things here, beer, food, whatever you want, palm wine, and just basically stuff to eat are being sold here. So guys, see people, today is a Sunday and it's Easter. Guys, see millions of people in the pool. Like, this is something else. Like, even if I wanted to swim, I don't think I can any longer. But they are actually having fun. I think this is one of the places in Ibadan where you want to catch fun, you can. Like, there are different people here. I even saw Indians and all. So this is why having like mad fun here, you know. So yeah.
Joy, you must be happiness.
So now you are a professional. Until I thought you understand.
Then a few people do horse ride here, as you can see. Generally, I think this place is generally a place where people come to relax. It's not like something spectacular is happening here. I think that's my honest review about here. But it's cool, like you want to relax, you want to swim, you want to horse ride, you want to do hoverboard ride. What else is here? Children play. You want to throw a party. You can come here for picnics and lots of stuff. Generally, it's just a place to relax, and the scene is comfortable. It looks promising. So yeah. Like I said, some people are already throwing parties here. So a lot happens.
If you touch the blindfold again, I will.
I did not call them to come and pick us.
Are we going home already? And then guys, there is a bar here. It's known as GQ. I think this place is generally a relaxing place. Like there are a lot you can do here. You can spend your whole day here just having fun, and if you feel it's too hot, you can go swim, So generally it's fun and it's cheap, just 500 naira to enter inside. But if you want to swim, I think you have to pay 500 naira. If you want to do the hoverboard stuff, you have to pay horse ride, you have to pay extra. But just to enter the gate is 500. I think it is cheap and it is reasonable, guys. So guys, finally I'm done here and I'm actually leaving. So yeah, we are leaving right now. So guys, thank you for coming with me. I think this
is the end of this journey today. Thank you guys for clicking this and watching this. Please, if you have anything to say about the video, just drop it in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you like the video. See you guys in my next video, and until then, bye.
This is how Bibi Mira is embarrassing herself on Saturday. Just relax, drop your hand, and let your emotions flow like water.
Listen, guys, are you happy? Come on, children, are you happy? Alright, DJ, I love your maternity camp, but this one is confusing me. How is your condition? Don't dance too much so they don't disturb the babies. God bless you. I love your delusion. You see, color combination. What's your name, darling? I don't need to disturb yourself.
Yay!
Sister, fine girl. What do you call the name of this hair you are doing?
Oh yeah, go, booking.